Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you for your love and support. Today we are going to unbox boats from smartwatch, which is really good. This is affordable and has got best reviews in Flipkart. So out of my curiosity, I bought it. So I want to review it. Many of them are interested in smartwatches and smart bands instead of their regular watches. You would expect a lot of smartwatches and smart bands coming in this later on year. So let's unbox this and see what's inside it. So here is the box. Let's unbox it and see how it looks like. Recently, one of my friend called me and asked me what is the best smartwatch available under 3K. So I went through a lot of research and comparisons to check what is available under 3K, and I finally found this boat, which is really impressive. I found a lot of positive responses in Flipkart, so I thought of buying it. So here's the box. You could see here's the bill. Let's keep it aside. And this is the box looks like. It is a black watch, and there is also a blue variant available. A timeless pure suit written on it. Let's unbox this. So here we go, a small box which is really good, and both smartwatch written on it. Let's keep it aside. And here is a charger and the guide. There is a warranty card. So here it is. Everything is there. 1 year warranty card and IPL fan edition. So you could see the actors and the cricketers over there. Let's keep it aside. Let's check the watch and the charging cable first. So we turned on and everything is set up. And here is the charging cable, which is a magnetic charger. The cable is really good and it has a USB pin. You can connect to your computer or power bank, anything you like. So let's see how it goes. You could see there is a sensor backside of the watch. It helps you to find out the blood and oxygen. It also tracks your footsteps really well. It is a really good sensor. The charging cable is really firm and tight, so it's a really good quality. AMOLED screen it is. So let's see how many faces do we have. We have only three faces, a classic round dial and other two are the digital one. Only three. Let's keep the blue and let's see the features now. You could see it is a removable strip. You can remove it and get the other strip whatever you like. There is a additional strips available in the market. You can get from there. It's just a pin you need to pull down and you can take off the strip really easy. So here we go. The strip is also really thin, but it's a good quality. Now let's wear it and see how it looks like on my hand. So here we go. The strip is really smooth. It's not hard like what you get in the OnePlus band. Yeah, it looks stylish. Yeah, it's detecting my face and turning on the screen. So it's working really well. Yep, it's accurate. Let's see the modes. Heart rate first. Okay. It would take almost 30 seconds. Yeah, it's 110. Pretty accurate. So here the modes is a messaging mode. I should turn on my phone first. Let's turn on the heart mode. It would detect your pulse rate according to the heartbeat you are getting. Let's see the blood and oxygen. Let's try the oxygen first. It would take around 10 to 15 seconds. Yeah, it's 99%. It is not that accurate. When I tried on my MI band, it's 96. Now it's 99. Not that accurate, but comparingly, it is good because it's not a band, it's a smartwatch. Let's check the pulse now. You need to keep your hand still while you calculate the pulse or oxygen levels. If you move your hand too much, it won't be that accurate. So you need to keep your hand still while you're calculating pulse or oxygen levels, anything. So it is 119 by 74. It is pretty accurate. So I really like the product. They deliver really good product under 3000. I really like it. Hope you really like this review. If you like this review, please hit a like button, share to your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.